berry, doy. D is for dragon fruit, dragon fruit. E is for elderberry, elderberry. F is for fig, fig. G is for grape, grape. H is for honeydew, honeydew. I is for ice apple, toy. J is for jackfruit, jackfruit, toy. K is for kiwi, kiwi, loy. L is for lemon, lemon, boy. M is for mango, mango, boy. N is for nectarine, nectarine, hoy. O is for orange, orange, joy. P is for pomegranate, pomegranate. Q is for quince, quince, bow, toy. R is for raspberry, raspberry, koi. S is for strawberry, strawberry. T is for tamarind, tamarind. U is for ugly fruit, ugly fruit. V is for vanilla bean, vanilla bean. W is for watermelon, watermelon. X is for sigua, exigua. Y is for yellow passion fruit, yellow passion fruit. Z is for zucchini, zucchini, nikoi. Now you know your ABCs with Catchy Fruits from